Hello busy people, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you all how to make idol of Lord Vinayaka with just turmeric and maida and no other any things, only turmeric and maida. If you didn't subscribe, then subscribe it, like it and share it with your friends, family members or relatives. So friends, this is the idol made only with turmeric and maida. And you can see in this video. Firstly, take 200 grams of turmeric and 200 grams of maida in one bowl and mix it with your hands and make sure that you mix it firmly and mix it thoroughly by adding water in middle so that it becomes a thick paste enough to make you an idol. As you can see, now it is thick paste. Now just sort it out into balls for few things like hands, face, stomach, etc. Make sure that you make equal sizes for hands, legs, ears and many more. Now let's start with bottom of the idol. Firstly, I am going to make legs. So as you can see in this video, press with your hands firmly the mixture which you have prepared. Mix it firmly by dipping in water in middle so to prevent cracks. Join them like this. No need of glue, guys. You can just do it like that. This is stomach. On the legs, you can make it stomach and just press it with water in middle so that it won't crack. And now comes face of the Lord Vinayaka. Just stick it to that stomach by dipping in water. Hands. As shown in this video, press with your fingers the mixture. Again, you can use fork for the trunk. This is trunk, guys. And stick it in the face as shown. And now, like this. These are ears. Just press them firmly with your hands like this. Just stick it, guys. No need of anything to join them. Just stick the ears to the face like this as shown. Now comes crown. You can decorate the crown as you wish, as you like to decorate. Now I am decorating like this. You can decorate as you like. And you must just put it on the face. I have used the bamboo stick for this. I have decorated it like this. If you will dip it in water and do, then you can prevent cracks. There will be no cracks in the idol. It will be clean. You can stick it on this face like that. This is the sacred thread. I have used pepper for eyes. Stick that pepper like this equally. And I have used toothpicks for tooth. As you know, left will be smaller than to the right. I have decorated it like this. You can decorate it as you want. It's your wish. It is entirely your wish how to decorate, how you want. I have already kept a small laddu on the idol and an om on the right hand. So thank you guys. Please subscribe the channel, like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.